Staying informed, your trading lifeline. In the dynamic world of Forex trading, staying informed is not just advantageous, it's essential for survival. The currency market is influenced by a myriad of factors, from economic data releases and central bank announcements to geopolitical events and global market sentiment. Keeping abreast of these factors is crucial for making informed trading decisions. Fortunately, in today's digital age, traders have access to a wealth of information at their fingertips. Financial news websites, economic calendars, trading forums, and social media platforms provide a constant stream of data, analysis, and insights into the Forex market. However, it's crucial to be discerning about your information sources, ensuring they are reputable, reliable, and unbiased.